Hey everyone, it's Jackie from Vegan Yak Attack, and I'm back with a brand new video for you today. Today's video is a little different, as you can see, and we will be featuring this recipe for spicy udon noodle soup, yum, from Tony and Michelle's The Friendly Vegan Cookbook. I love them both so much, and I'm so excited to share this recipe. And there's also a giveaway for this book, so go to the blog link in my description to see how to enter. For the ingredients, you'll need some canola or other high temperature oil. We have some diced white or yellow onion, some julienne cut carrots. My carrots were a little short, so I did a matchstick cut, but that'll work. We have some vegan bouillon cubes, or vegetable bouillon works as well, some sriracha, we have some mushrooms, diced garlic, some black pepper, sliced celery, Napa cabbage, some toasted nori seaweed, udon noodles of course, some green onion, and then we'll need a lot of water. In a large stock pot, we'll add cooking oil. Once hot, add in your yellow onion, your celery, carrots, minced garlic, and mushrooms. And you want to saute these for about 5 minutes until the onions are translucent. We're almost there. Smells really great. And one of the great things about this recipe is that it is so easy, and it's one pot. Perfect for a weeknight dinner meal. Next, add in 9 cups of water. Along with your bouillon. I used vegan beef bouillon cubes here for a little extra oomph, but whatever vegetable bouillon you have on hand will work. Then we have our Napa cabbage. Now I'll bring this to a boil. Woo! Now that we're boiling, let's add in the noodles and then just cook according to package instructions. These noodles look pretty ready, so let's take it off of the heat. Next, we're gonna add in our sriracha. You can obviously do this to taste if you don't want it too spicy. Stir that in along with some black pepper. I ended up adding a bit more sriracha to this because I do like it spicy. Now, you can spoon that up if it doesn't steam my camera up too much. Here we are. And then we garnish with some green onion and some toasted nori. Of course, you can add like spicy sesame oil or anything else you want, sesame seeds even. This is really customizable based on what you have on hand. And here it is, so easy. As a reminder, it's out of the friendly vegan cookbook. Tony and Michelle were kind enough to let me share this spicy udon noodle soup with you today. If you enjoyed this video, please check out the full recipe through the link in the description. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.